Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best balsamic vinegar products that are available on the market for their true quality and authenticity. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, we've got something for everyone. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's dive right in. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Cucina Amore Balsamic Vinegar of Modena. This 16.9-ounce bottle is a solid option for those looking for a certified balsamic vinegar that delivers on quality without breaking the bank. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and controlled by a consortium of master tasters to ensure it meets traditional production standards. In terms of design, the bottle is compact and easy to store, making it perfect for casual home use. However, its smaller size may not be ideal for those who frequently use balsamic vinegar in large quantities. The flavor is well balanced, offering a pleasant tangy sweetness that works wonderfully in salad dressings or marinades. That said, it's not as complex or aged as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. This product is best suited for someone on a budget or a casual cook who wants a reliable, straightforward balsamic vinegar. While it lacks the depth of flavor seen in premium aged varieties, it's a solid choice for everyday cooking. Pros: affordable, gluten-free, and non-GMO. Cons: smaller size and less complex flavor. At number 4, we have the 365 by Whole Foods Market Balsamic Vinegar of Modena. This product comes in a pack of two 16.9 liters of ounces bottles, making it a great option for those who appreciate value and convenience. Whole Foods Market is known for its rigorous quality standards, and this balsamic vinegar is no exception. It's made without over 100 prohibited ingredients. The design is simple and functional, with a syrup-like consistency that makes it easy to drizzle over salads or fruits. While the flavor profile leans more towards the sweet side, it lacks the complexity you'd find in more aged varieties. However, it still performs well in basic recipes, such as vinaigrettes or as a finishing touch on roasted vegetables. This product is ideal for health-conscious shoppers who value transparency and quality assurance. It's a dependable choice for everyday use, though it may not satisfy those seeking a gourmet experience. Pros: high-quality ingredients, convenient 2-pack. Cons: lacks the depth and richness of premium-aged balsamic vinegar. Coming in at number 3 is the Kirkland Signature Organic Balsamic Vinegar. Kirkland is synonymous with value, and this 1-liter bottle is no exception. It's organic, versatile, and well-suited for a variety of uses, including salad dressings, marinades, and as a flavor enhancer for cooked dishes. The design is straightforward, with a sturdy bottle that's easy to handle. The flavor is pleasantly balanced, with a good mix of tanginess and sweetness. While it doesn't have the IGP certification that some of the other contenders on this list boast, it's still a great option for those who want an organic and reliable balsamic vinegar at a reasonable price point. This product is perfect for bulk buyers or anyone who uses balsamic vinegar frequently. It offers a great balance of quality and affordability, though it may not provide the same gourmet allure as some of the higher-end products on the list. Pros: organic, versatile, and affordable. Cons: lacks IGP certification and doesn't have the depth of flavor seen in aged varieties. Our runner-up spot goes to the Loro del Sud Ultra Premium Gold Label Balsamic Vinegar. This 8-year aged balsamic vinegar is IGP certified and crafted in Modena, Italy, the heart of balsamic vinegar production. It comes in a hefty 5-liter bulk package, making it ideal for restaurants, catering services, or home chefs who use balsamic vinegar extensively. The aging process in wooden barrels gives this vinegar a rich, complex flavor profile with a perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess. It also boasts a fruity aroma and a density of 1.18, making it an excellent choice for drizzling over grilled meats, fresh berries, or salads. The packaging is practical for bulk use, though the large size may be overwhelming for casual users. If you're serious about your balsamic vinegar and want something that delivers on both quality and quantity, this is a fantastic option. Pros: IGP certified, rich flavor, bulk packaging. Cons: large size may not be practical for everyone. And finally, taking the top spot is the Mariella Premium Aged Balsamic Vinegar of Modena. This IGP-certified product is a true testament to Italian culinary heritage, made exclusively in Modena using locally sourced ingredients. With 5 liters of premium balsamic vinegar, it's perfect for professional chefs, restaurants, or home cooks who demand nothing but the best. The aging process in wooden barrels results in a deep, complex flavor that elevates any dish it touches. The bulk packaging is convenient for high-volume users, and the quality is consistent with what you'd expect from a premium product. From salad dressings to marinades or even as a drizzle over desserts, this vinegar delivers unparalleled versatility and richness. If you're looking for an authentic, high-quality balsamic vinegar that embodies the essence of Italy, Mariella is the way to go. Pros: premium quality, IGP certified, versatile, and rich flavor. Cons: bulk size may not suit occasional users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect balsamic vinegar for your kitchen. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.